Milords, this is a 482 petition. An FIR is registered in Thana Katangi under the offences for 498A, 394, 294, Section 3 and 4 of the Dowry Act. Milords, during the pendency of the 482, charge sheet has been filed in the lower court.
Right, ma'am.
Therefore, we have filed an amendment application in item number 80 and 80.1, seeking amendment in the relief clause and praying for quashment of charge sheet dated 15/9/2023.
आप इन दोनों एप्लीकेशंस को अलाउ मान लीजिए.
Milords.
Now what is there on merits?
Milords.
Amendment to be allowed.
Milords, the allegation.
और मैडम आप जो है
Milords.
उसका जो आप लोग जो पेस्ट करते हैं पेपर,
Yes, Milords.
उसको लाके आज कर दीजिएगा.
जी,
है ना? राइट. जी मैडम.
Milords, the allegations in the FIR are that the complainant was beaten by the
Madam, the FIR is at which page?
Milords, annexure A8 at page number 76.
जी मैडम.
Milords, may I read?
This first is Mohammed Azhar Latif Qureshi.
Yes, Milords. Milords, he is the husband of the complainant, whereby the second 482 is on the behalf of the relatives.
All relatives.
All relatives.
ये आपने husband को अलग क्यों कर दिया?
Milords, the first thing is that the husband doesn't live with the wife. He is posted in Raipur and he is working in a company.
So you mean to say if anything was done, it was by the relatives of the husband?
Milords, nothing was done. Milords, the small submission is that allegation leveled by the complainant are that she was beaten by the relatives and the applicant, and which resulted in her abortion, abortion or miscarriage, and also the relatives and the applicant demanded 20 lakhs rupees with the AC and flat.
जी sir.
Whereby the date of incidence as per the complainant is 1/3/2023. Whereby in the mediation report, she has said that the incident is dated 13/3/2023. Milords, may kindly see annexure A5, page number 32.
जी मैडम.
May I read, Milords? May I read, Milords?
जी मैडम.
मेरी शादी से करीबन 1.5 माह मेरे पति के साथ मेरे ससुराल गोंदिया में रही और मेरे ससुराल वालों ने अच्छे से रखा. फिर मैं दिनांक 13/3/23 को मेरे पिता मुझे लेने गोंदिया आए, मेरे को लेकर आ गए थे. फिर मेरे करीबन 15 दिन तक अपने मायके में रही. फिर दिनांक 13/3/2023 को मेरे पति अजहर जेठ अरशद कुरैशी, देवर अख्तर कुरैशी, भाभी सदफ कुरैशी मेरे घर ग्राम उमरी लेने आए. मेरे को पहले से दहेज की मांग करते थे, तो मैंने अपने घर में अपने पापा जी माता जी को बताया कि मेरे मामा एजाज खान ने दिनांक 13/3/2023 को 1 लाख रुपए का चेक दिया था. फिर मैं गर्भवती हो गई. Milords, may kindly see annexure A2. These are the medical records of the complainant.
And is it the part of the charge sheet?
No, Milords.
Right.
Milords, whereby the applicants in the mediation proceedings conducted before the Parivar
You were referring to this medical.
Yes, Milords. Milords, the applicant and the relatives have already given these documents, but the same were not considered by the police station.
जी.
Milords, may kindly come to annexure A2, page number 16. Milords, the complainant suffers from psychotic disorder and also
psychotic disorder post miscarriage.
Yes, Milords.
And yes, that miscarriage had left some impact on her mind.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
Right.
earlier to the abortion or miscarriage, she was having some behavioral issues.
I don't
which-
know, madam. You are referring to a
Milord.
document which specifically speaks about post miscarriage.
My lord, my lord,
That worsen the act of the applicants.
my lord. My lord,
If a lady has suffered to that extent,
my lord.
that she has suffered a कौन सा word है? Psychotic disorder
My lord.
because of miscarriage, then you can just imagine the effect of that beating.
My lord, the allegation of miscarriage is not true because my lord,
Madam, I
kindly
can't.
see
Can I decide under 482? That is the only question I am putting again and again to everybody.
my lord.
Can I say that this allegation is false?
No, my lords, for that statement, I am relying on page number 20.
20.
This is the discharge card, and the diagnosis made is primary with embryonic demise of 7 weeks.
That I don't know, madam. What is the meaning of this disease, sir?
My lords, the complainant had severe bleeding in the 2-3 occasions during the time of the pregnancy, and
Then,
it was ruled that she was having some chromosomal issues, genetic issues. My lords, may kindly
madam,
see
you
page
will have to
23.
examine the doctor. You will have to examine the doctor.
My lords, my lords.
You will have to examine the doctor. Because the doctor has given a post miscarriage, psychiatric disorder post carriage.
My lords.
Or yeah, these are the consequences of all those aspects.
My lords.
Why there was a bleeding, internal bleeding or external bleeding, whatever it is.
My lords, the reason is not stated whereby.
That's why I'm saying embryonic demise of a gestational age 7 weeks, 3 days with the dysmorphic embryo advises CMA of POC. So there was a miscarriage, and her allegation is that it was because of the beating given by the applicants.
My lords.
And look at the effect of that miscarriage. Doctor has said, this is your document, and the doctor has said it is post miscarriage, psychotic disorder post miscarriage.
My lords.
Anything else, madam?
My lords, as far the 482 on the behalf of the relatives,
All right.
my lord, the applicant number 5 and 6,
Mhm.
they do not live with the other relatives.
What are the documents to show?
My lords. My lords, may kindly see annexure A6.
Mm.
My lords, this is the house rent receipt of Abdul Latif Qureshi
All right.
and Israt Qureshi.
Mm.
And my lords, may kindly see page number 61. There is a difference in the poll number.
61.
Yes, my lords.
Poll number means?
My lords, this is the electricity.
So, madam, you are residing in the same vicinity. Residing in
but
the
same vicinity, but my lords.
madam, it hardly matters. It hardly matters. I cannot say that since the electricity connection has been given from different pole, therefore you cannot visit the house of the other accused.
No.
On the contrary, it shows that you are residing in the same vicinity. Then anything else, madam?
My lords, I humbly pray it may be taken up in the Passover.
No,
matter
madam.
so that-
तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
My lords, the allegation of the amount 1 lakh rupees, which is alleged by the complainant, my lord, it was transferred to the.
Maternal uncle of
It was transferred by the maternal uncle.
the
But-
father of the respondent to the maternal uncle of the husband.
Milord. Milord, she says in the first place, she says that father, and in the another.
Can I compare the discrepancy, and then can I appreciate by
Milord.
that is the difficulty.
Milord.
I'm again and again saying that to what extent I can appreciate the evidence.
Milord.
Ultimately, we may give due importance to the all discrepancies, omissions, and contradictions. But is it possible at this stage?
Milords, may kindly see page number 32.
Mhm.
Milords, this is the evidences recorded during the mediation.
Recorded?
during the mediation, my lords.
Madam, how that will prevail over 161 statements? And secondly, first of all, I will be required to compare both these statements, and then I would be required to give a finding whether this statement is correct or that statement is correct.
My lords.
That's why my question right from day one is whether it is possible under 482.
My lords, in the IA number
Hmm.
3834, we have filed the charge sheet.
Fine.
Yes, my lords. My lords, in page number 65, there are the 161 statements.
So she has reiterated the same thing.
Yes, my
एक
lords.
दिन को मुझे गाली गलौज करने लगे, एसी 1 लाख रुपए, नए फ्लैट खरीदने के लिए 20 लाख रुपए,
My
all
lords.
these things.
My
मेरा
lords.
गला दबाने लगे मेरे देवर ने. Actually, it is verbatim reproduction of the FIR.
Yes, my lords. My lords, whereby in the mediation.
Madam, can I
Court.
compare?
Yes, my lords. My
Madam,
lords.
please point it out from the law. Okay, that under 482 I can do that.
My lords.
I am putting a question on my authority or jurisdiction. I am not putting a question on the correctness of your submissions. They try to understand the distinction.
My lords.
You may be right, but whether I can say that you are right and she is wrong.
My lords, I seek time to ascertain on that.
No, madam. You have filed 482.
My lords.
I presuppose that everything has been done after making full preparations.
My lords. My lords.
Nobody will file the cases in a casual manner.
My lords.
So what else? At the most, I can give you time up to 4:30. Give me the
Lots.
judgments which says that I can, after comparing the different statements, and then I can give a finding that the allegation is correct or wrong.
My lords. My lords. My lords.
Give me at 4:30
Yes.
or by 4:30, whatever it is convenient to you.
Yes,
right?
my lords.
Sure. Rakho.